Hi everyone. Welcome, my name is Antu. Today, I invite you to join a cause that's close to my heart, the Mako Foundation, a beacon of hope in Ethiopia's Oromia region, where the beauty of the landscape contrasts with the harsh reality of poverty and scarce resources. The Mako Foundation was founded by young people from the Shashamane region of Ethiopia, now residing in Minnesota, dedicated to supporting their community back home, where they witnessed firsthand the need for help. Their primary goal is to enhance healthcare and overall quality of life. By collaborating, they strive to make a significant impact. In Oromia, a lack of healthcare means more than just illness. It impacts education, productivity, and the very fabric of life. But there's hope. The Mako Foundation, in partnership with Project C.U.R.E, is poised to make a real difference. Our mission is clear: to revolutionize healthcare access, one hospital, one clinic, one life at a time. But this is a mission we cannot achieve alone. We need your help. This year, our goal is ambitious but critical: to raise $65,000. These funds are vital to ship life-saving medical equipment and supplies to those in dire need. Every dollar you donate brings us closer to this reality. Your support is more than just a donation, it's a lifeline. It's about providing the basics like bandages and blood pressure cuffs, and critical items like birthing support equipment. Each contribution has the power to save and transform lives. Join us in this urgent call to action. Your donation, big or small, can create a ripple effect of positive change. It's an opportunity to be part of something larger than ourselves, to rewrite the narrative of a community awaiting our help. This is your moment to make a meaningful impact. Donate today. Your generosity will echo through the lives of many. The Mako Foundation, where every gift is a step towards a brighter, healthier future for Oromia. Before we conclude, a special invitation to the business community. We understand the power of corporate responsibility and the impact it can have. By partnering with the Mako Foundation, your business can play a crucial role in transforming lives in Oromia. Your contribution is not just a charitable act, it's an investment in humanity. Plus, it comes with benefits for your business. All donations to the Mako Foundation are eligible for tax write-offs. We ensure that every contribution is acknowledged with a donation receipt, making it beneficial for both your business and your community. As we come to the end of our journey today, remember that your support can ignite a wave of change in Oromia. Your donation, no matter the size, contributes to a future where healthcare is accessible to all. Together, we can create a lasting impact. Now is the time to act. If you're ready to make a difference, it's simple. Just scan the barcode appearing on your screen. This quick action will take you directly to our donation page. Every contribution brings us closer to our goal and closer to changing lives. Thank you for your kindness and generosity. Together with your help, the Mako Foundation will continue to uplift and transform the Oromia region, one heart, one mind, one community at a time.